Welcome to Philosophy in Review. Today we will be discussing the philosophy of Arthur Schopenhauer. Arthur Schopenhauer was a German philosopher who lived from 1788 to 1860. He is best known for his pessimistic view of the world, which he based on his belief that the fundamental nature of reality is a blind, irrational force that he called the will. Schopenhauer's philosophy can be divided into three main parts: metaphysics, ethics, and aesthetics. In metaphysics, Schopenhauer argued that the world is divided into two realms, the world of appearances and the world of things in themselves. The world of appearances is the world that we experience through our senses. It is a world of objects that are in space and time and that are subject to the laws of cause and effect. The world of things in themselves is the underlying reality that lies behind the world of appearances. It is a world of pure being that is beyond space, time, and causality. Schopenhauer believed that the world of things in themselves is the will. The will is a blind, irrational force that is the driving force of all life. It is the source of all our desires, needs, and strivings. The will is also the source of all suffering. In ethics, Schopenhauer argued that the only way to escape the suffering that is caused by the will is to deny the will. This can be done through asceticism, which is the practice of denying the desires of the body and the mind. Schopenhauer also believed that compassion is the highest form of virtue. Compassion is the ability to feel the suffering of others and to want to help them. In aesthetics, Schopenhauer argued that art is the highest form of knowledge. Art allows us to escape the world of appearances and to glimpse the world of things in themselves. Art also allows us to experience a kind of redemption from the suffering that is caused by the will. Schopenhauer's philosophy have been adopted by many philosophers, artists, and writers, including Friedrich Nietzsche, Richard Wagner, and Thomas Mann. Schopenhauer's philosophy is still relevant today, as it provides a powerful and insightful analysis of the human condition. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share to show your appreciation for our study guides.